So today we're going to be making an amazing banana zucchini bread. To get started, these are the ingredients you're going to need. Milk, you're going to need 4 eggs, you're going to need 1 zucchini, some salt, I love sea salt, so that's what I'm going to be using, baking soda, lots of butter, 3 very ripe bananas, all-purpose flour, and granulated sugar. So let's begin. Start by greasing my pan really well, and I'm just using a glass pan for this. You just want to make sure you're really getting in there so that nothing sticks. Heat the oven to 350. So there you go. Okay, so let's start by mashing the bananas, which is the fun part. Blend all this together. Notice that I have not added the zucchini yet or the chocolate chips, but those are optional.